मध्ये आपण ॲडव्हान्स जावा प्रोग्रामिंगचा टॉपिक पाहतोय तो म्हणजे डायलॉग. Now dialog is a class, okay, which is used to create top level window with title and border used to accept input from the user. Okay. Now dialog we already see AWT hierarchy. In AWT hierarchy we have seen that dialog is a subclass of window class and frame class is also subclass of window class. Okay. But difference in between frame and window is that now frame and dialog both are the in the window class, means both are the subclass of window class. But frame can have maximize and minimize button. Frame having maximize and minimize button, and dialog is do not have maximize and minimize button. Okay, this is the basic difference between dialog and frame. Now second thing, dialog is subclass of frame window. Dialog is a subclass of frame window. Now let us see the constructor. If we see each and every constructor, there is a parameter frame owner, frame owner, frame owner. That means dialog is subclass of frame window. It is not main window, it is a subclass of frame window. Now here first parameter dialog, frame owner. Now this constructor will create dialog or dialog box which having this frame as a parent window. This frame as a parent window. Now second constructor, this constructor will also create a dialog or dialog box which having this frame as a parent window. And the second parameter is a boolean model. Now this value is either true or false. If this value is true, then dialog box is model, and if this value is false, then dialog box is modeless. If this value is false, dialog box is modeless. Okay. Now third point, dialog, frame owner and string title. Now here, now this constructor will create dialog box which having this frame as a parent, and this string will appear as a title bar or appear as a caption. This string is appear into the title bar. Now in this dialog there is no string title parameter, so this create dialog without title, without title name, and this do not have this parameter boolean model. So by default this dialog having the modality property is a modeless. Modality property is a modeless, and this also do not have this parameter. For this also constructor create dialog box which having modality property modeless. Now two types of dialog box are present, model and modeless. Now what is the difference between model and modeless? Model dialog box, in this model dialog box when it is active we cannot access other part of Windows applications. When dialog box is model, it is active, then we cannot access other part of Windows application. And when dialog box is modeless, then we can access other part of Windows application when it is active. When dialog box is active, we can access other part of window when it is modeless. Okay, thank you. Now let us see the example of dialog. Now we have imported package java.awt because it is present in AWT package. Now class demo extends frame. Okay, now we have defined a class which extends frame class. Now inside it we have created declared one variable of dialog class, dialog D. Now demo constructor we have taken here. Now set size 300 200. So we have set the size for the frame 300 pixel 200 pixel. Then set visible we have make it visible. Now set title we have set the title for the frame window, main window, demo window. Now we have created dialog box D equal to new dialog this. It is a this demo class is the owner of this parent of this dialog box, so that we have defined its object using the keyword this, and the second we have given the name dialog box inside the double quote. Now after that we have set the size for the dialog d dot set size 400 and 300, and we have made it visible by calling method d dot set visible true. Now closing curly bracket we have completed the demo constructor. Now we have defined the main method. Now you should write in full format public static void main string args array. Now inside this main method we have created the object of demo class. Now when we are running this program, we have to save this program in name demo.java. When we run this program after compiling, then it will create some frame window like this. Frame window is created. It having the name demo window. It having name demo window. Such type of window is created which having 300 width and 200 300 length and 200 width. Okay, and after that one dialog is having the length 400 and height 300. Such type of dialog box is created. Now here minimize and maximize button is present for the frame window, and here dialog box is created having only close button and it having the title. This title will be the dialog box. This dialog box is created and which is a mode list. This is a program. Okay. So thank you.